Welcome back from an ad break. We will continue or actually wrap up with our grade 10 lesson on creative thinking. So this is our concept map, a recap basically of all the things that we've covered under creative thinking. So we spoke about the meaning of creative thinking, and then we spoke about the benefits of creative thinking in the workplace. Then we also focused on the use of creative thinking to generate entrepreneurial qualities. Then these are the words that we've learned. Creative thinking, we said it involves the process of generating innovative and imaginative ideas. We also looked at sustainable business practices. We said it is a business practice that is economically viable, socially responsible, and environmentally friendly, which is usually regarded as being sustainable. Lastly, we looked at problem solving. We said this is a process of finding solutions to difficult or complex issues, right? So now in grade 10, there are common errors or mistakes that as learners you are making. So now let's recap on these errors and hoping that they will never happen again, but you need to pay special attention to these errors. It says here, some learners, they struggle to quote in verbatim from the scenario. What is verbatim? As is. As is. Remember, that is the rule that we learned. As is, word for word, the same thing that you're taking. So here's the solution. When required to quote from the scenario, rewrite, very important, that is a key word, rewrite the applicable sentence in full directly from the scenario, as is, which is directly. So the minute you see the word quote, just know as is, directly, rewrite, don't change anything. Creative thinking benefits both the business and employees, not only the business, but also the employees. Remember, I did say that employees, they also feel included, they feel valued, and they become what it promotes what? A happy workforce. Right, before I leave, I'm going to leave you with a challenging question. Right, so just to test your knowledge, to see if you were listening, to see if you learned in this lesson. So what you're going to do, you'll answer this question, but in my absence, of course. So you have to discuss how businesses can use creative thinking to solve business problems. All right? How businesses can use creative thinking to solve business problems. So we've come to an end of our lesson. I hope you've learned. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson, and I hope you will implement everything that you've learned here. And I'll see you next time. From me, Ms. Mabue. Goodbye.